All right, let's take a look at the charts here. Let's go ahead and pull up at BTC first and take a look at that. All right, so what we've got here is we saw a drop down, and you see that that thick yellow line there. That is a multi-year support line from the tops and the bull market cycles. So we see that we bounced off of that yellow line at around 94,000. Hard bounce, which is good. That means that we had a lot of buying pressure. Bulls came in and started buying up that dip, and so it pulled us back up above that other line right here that we had broken of the support. Okay, so that's a good news. We saw the bounce and the buy up of that and that dip, and so one scenario we could still be looking at, we could come back down and retrace that red. We see the candle here, that red wick there, and we could retrace back down to around 91,000 or so. That is a possibility because we did break several supports here, and so that is a possibility. Also, I had released a video not too long ago talking about if a black swan event happens. We were talking about World War III with Russia and did not foresee this situation happening in Syria with Bashar Assad, basically his regime collapsing, and that obviously is maybe not as big as World War III, but it still upsets the markets a little bit. But we see this CMA gap down around 80,000. That is still in play. I think the more likely scenario, though, is to consolidate a little bit more here, maybe come back down, follow that wick down to 91,000, and then consolidate, and then see Bitcoin start moving up. But you always got to keep in the back of the mind that it is possible that we drop down to 78,000. Again, just more buying opportunity to DCAN and buy that dip. So let's look at XRP. XRP dropped down just right below $2, and basically we hit this area here where we had consolidations for a little while. We had consolidation for about from really around November 29th into December 1st, and then we had the breakout there, and we went up, and now because of everything going on in the markets, we have had some consolidation, and we had a pullback down. We saw a strong bounce off of around that $2 mark and a lot of buying pressure. So we are definitely still on an upward trend here, and I believe that we're going to see more buying than selling here. I don't think we're going to dip much lower. If we do happen to go down, if something else happens, we do happen to keep continuing down, I'd say the target is around 160, where we hit the next lower level of consolidation where we consolidated for a while, and that would turn into support. This consolidation level around $2 would be more likely to turn into support, maybe consolidate there. But we could see a little bit more pullback. Looks like we've had a strong bounce, like I said, and so we may not get any more pullback. That may be it. I hope that's it. And but even if it's not, all it does is create another buying opportunity to grab some more XRP. And the altcoins that you are looking at to buy is a good buying opportunity, a good time to DCAN a little bit more.